How to permanently change the speed settings on the Spitfire controller. Firstly, we're going to turn it on. Using the up-down buttons, we can change the settings, but when the controller loses power overnight, it will revert back to its full internal settings. So to change this, we're going to hold the set button. To enter our P menu, at P0.0, we are going to press enter, and we're going to change our display value to 12. This will unlock the controller. Press enter. Then we will scroll up to P0.9 and press enter. As you can see, the default 4000 revs is set up. We can bring that down to its minimum of 1000. Press enter and all set. Now the controller will restart and run up until its desired speed. And there we can also see that it's internally changed.